We're continuing our ionic bonding activity. We're about to do number 7 on the back. The ionic bonds form between aluminum and oxygen to form the ionic compound that's known as aluminum oxide. This one's a little bit more complicated, so I want to show you this one as well. Grab your aluminum card and grab your oxygen card. I'm going to move these over here a bit. Aluminum and oxygen. Aluminum has how many valence electrons? 3, right? Get 3 around it. Oxygen, group 16, 6 valence electrons. Here we go. So you can see what's going to happen. Transfer of electrons from aluminum to oxygen. Oxygen atom is now an oxygen ion. It's happy. But we have this aluminum here with this extra electron. Can't leave it hanging. The only way to solve that problem and to form a compound between aluminum and oxygen is to grab another oxygen atom. Again, get our valence electrons up here. There we go. Taking care of aluminum, but you can see we have a problem here. Whoops. There we go. 2, 4, 5, 6. There. So we've got room for another electron. You guessed it, we need another aluminum. Here's our aluminum with 3 valence electrons. Taken care of. But now we've got 2 more electrons on this aluminum that we need to have a spot for. I don't have another O, so I'm going to draw one up here on the board. Another oxygen. There's our 3rd oxygen atom. 6 valence electrons. Position electrons on your cards so that it's easy for you to draw in just a few minutes. Finally, finished. Got our aluminums taken care of. All of our oxygens are accounted for. Put these guys back so you can draw your electron transfer. Put your X's where your electrons are going to go. Remember, you can pause the video at any point. If I'm going too fast, which I am, I know I'm going too fast, but you can pause. Send this guy is going to go here. These electrons. Transfer of electrons box, that's number 7 on your paper. Pause the video so that you can get all of that taken care of. I'm going to get everything ready for our ion formation box. I don't need you to draw the electron dot structure again for ion formation. I just need to see all of your ions that you made. Everything a bit closer. There we go. So your aluminums, each one had 3 electrons in its outermost energy level that all got transferred. So when you lose 3 electrons, you get a 3+ charge, right? When you gain 2 electrons, like all of the oxygen atoms did, you get a 2- charge. I didn't tell you this on the previous example that we did, but I want you to look and see, look at your ion charges. They should all add up to 0. -2, -2, -2 is -6. +3, +3, +6. -6, +6, 0. If you get to 0, you've done it correctly. If not, figure out your mistake. Chemical formula. How many aluminum atoms did you have to use? 2. Al2, subscript 2. How many oxygen atoms did you have to use? 1, 2, 3. Al2O3. There's your chemical formula for aluminum oxide. If you have questions, make sure you ask them now, get them answered. Use the manipulatives for all of the remaining problems. They really will help.